Hi caregivers! My name is Molly and I'm the Youth Services Guide at Anythink Bennett. This summer, the Anythink Children's Guides have put together some ideas for you to support your child's learning with easy to find objects around the home. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about cardboard boxes. None of these activities require you to be crafty or artistic. Just use the boxes the way they are or with minor adjustments. But you can certainly decorate and fancy it up however you see fit. So, using any size box you have on hand, you can create a simple and fun matching and sorting game for your littles. Simply draw or attach a color, shape, letter, or number to the side or inside bottom of the box and allow your child to find objects around the house that match the symbol, like this. If they are a little more advanced with their letter and number recognition, they can find objects that start with a letter or correct number of objects that match the symbol on the box. So here I have some rectangles. You can go find rectangles in a bunch. And then this one, it's got a number 4 and 4 markers. And this one, I went to go find orange things in the box to put in the box. Another fun thing to do, and it may get a little messy, so you may want to do this outside or in a place that can be cleaned easy, is to fill a medium-sized box with things like sand or dirt and use a smaller box to fill, dump, and pour. This activity helps with understanding of quantity and fine motor strength to help them when they begin writing. Then, of course, if you have a number of different size boxes, allow your little ones to use them to build a space just for them. Talk about what they're building. Ask how they will get in and out of the space, and encourage them to build a space that meets a need, like a place to read, a place to draw, or, of course, rocket to the moon. This activity provides an opportunity for dramatic play and explores construction and design concepts. And don't be afraid to let them knock it down too. They can always rebuild it and knock it down again. All right, I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you have fun learning with your littles. Stay safe and healthy, and we hope to see you all back in the library very soon. Bye-bye.